Okay, creating an estimate does not have to be hard. It's only hard if you're not set up. Well, one of the things that we have set up with the uh, Easy Construction Estimating program is that you can duplicate a lot of the work that you do, so you don't have to redo it from scratch every time. Let me first of all show you that the program you're looking at, of course, there's modifications as I'm making these videos. So in this case here, I put the license agreement in a different spot. It's still here. You got pages 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can read them all. It's still the same thing. It's actually clearer this way than the way I had it before, in case you saw it. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and agree, and we're going to go into the bids. And what I'm going to show you now is how you can take an existing bid of a project or a plan that you already did, and how easy it is really to just duplicate it and move it over to a brand new bid, and then you can modify it after you move it. So let's go in and look at the bids. And as we look over here, we have planned 1 to 2, 1 and 2 of, there's 3 bids in here right now. But let's say this plan here is the one that we're interested in. It is, okay, this plan is called plan number 2150, house only. Now, of course, if you go to number 2, you got plan 2150 garage. So there's actually a complete bid for the house and another complete bid for the garage. And of course, the proposal then puts it all together for you. But let's say that we're going to do a new job. And to create a new job, you can just click the button over here. And let's just call this new customer just the way it is for now. And notice the new customer here is bid number 33. So if we go back to our original one, okay, it'll put your bid number 33 as your first bid, because that's the newest bid is always going to be the first one you see. So let's go to the one that we were at just now, which was bid number 2 now. And here it is, bid number 2, which is the 2150 house plan. So there's a very simple little button right here that's called duplicate this plan. Now this plan right now is bid ID 30 as it is bid ID 30 here. So let's duplicate the plan. And there you go. Now you got a copy and it's still on bid number 30. Oh, let's not forget we got to get the garage. So if we go over here and we got to go backwards now, and we go to the garage and we're going to duplicate that one also. Now we have the garage. Now you notice every time it duplicates it, it puts the word copy in there so you never get lost. And we're at bid number 30. Now if we go back to our new bid is number 33. So we're going to go back to bid number 30. Now all we got to do is right here, plan number detail. The house only is that one. We don't want that one. We don't want the garage. We want the copy. So we're going to take the copy from bid number 30 and we're going to change it to 33. And then we're also going to go to the copy of the garage, and also we're going to change that to bid number 33. Now once you've done that, all we got to do now is go back to bid number 33, which is this one right here. And you see you got one of 3 plans because you had the default one that came in automatically, and you're not going to use that one, so you can click it here and just go and hit the delete key, and you can delete that one blank copy. But here is the copy from what we had in bid number 30 of the house only, and here is the plan of the garage. So they're both here. Now that means that you've already got all your numbers set up to go into your proposal, and you can go in now and modify anything that you want. You can modify the different items. This house might have something a little bit different, but you're making a copy of it because it's going to be similar. Now this applies to any trade that you're in. Again, this one here is on electrical, because electrical is where I also have a history of, but on your bid it can be for anything. As you go through and look at it, all your totals are going to be there. It's totally ready for you to go 100%, and then you can go and create your proposal directly from here. But you just created a complete plan with just the click of a simple button. So this should help. Hope you enjoy this. keep track of all of my video instructions, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you very much.